Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Honorary Secretary Jong Meghalaya Cricket Association Uba Renol Kharkamni ulapente baka Jingïalang Jong baro ki unit ki beyaso bat ka Meghalaya Cricket Association kanlong ha ka Tarik unaitung arja punrio ha MCE conference room nadu kapor shibaje no phaisingi ki mat ki banyakran hakani ka singi ki kinthop ya ka mat ka baydei bat ka rai Jong ka Apex Council kabla long ha ka khandai Tarik ujemmang arja punrio banthung ya ki ombudsman katkum ki kindon Jong ka MCE Banyakran ya ka kaipot Jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ki baydei bat ka MCE bat ki weipat ki mat.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.